Welcome to Guide Kid. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to print from Canva without paying a single penny. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, just open your Canva website. Just open any browser on your PC. Go on the search bar, type Canva, make an account, and after that, just you will see this interface. Now go on the left side, click on Create, click on Upload, and here click on Upload Files. It will open your file manager. Just select your preferred file, and after that you will see interface like this. So I'm going to use this template as an example for showing you. Okay, now go on top right corner, click on share, and here click on download. Now click on this drop down arrow and make sure you have selected PDF. Now click on download. Okay, wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, my design is downloaded. So just click on it. If you can't see your design over here, just go on your file manager and open your PDF from there. Now, as you can see this option, this printer icon right over here, just click on it on top right, and here you will see your printer. Just select your printer from here, and after that click on print. So that's it. That's how you can print on Canva without paying a single dollar. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.